Innocent and so beautiful, with joyful hearts we pledge to thee our loyalty and love, and vow to keep you ever free. Whatever future brings, our faith will see us through. May peace reign from shore to shore, and God bless and keep us true. I rule now fair and blessed, and your mountains high, so clear and green, are home to me, though I may stray, but heaven comes near. Whatever future brings, our faith will